Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to talk about how to fix Bluetooth connectivity problems on Realme Narzo 15A and how you can fix this up. So let's get into it. So the first thing what you have to be taken care of is when you're trying to send files or when you're trying to connect with other devices, the Bluetooth, you have to make sure so the devices are very close to each other and it is not very far. Then if it is very far, then most probably you'll be having the issue. So it is very important that you have to keep the device very close to each other when you're trying to send any small file as well as big file. So you have to take care of this very much. So this is what you have to do as the first. Moving on to the next solution is all about make sure the problem is not caused just because the phone cache data is not cleaned for a long time. So that will be also an issue. So this is what you have to take care of as the second one. Moving on to the next solution is what a suggestion is in some cases users have to make sure their devices and the one with which they are trying to create a Bluetooth connection is not having any security concerns such as the presence of virus, which means, as I said, if it's sending some file which is having virus, then most probably you'll be having these kind of issues. This is very important. And moving on, sometimes rebooting can fix the issue up. So if you don't know how to reboot, you don't have to worry. All you have to do is we have a power button over here, right? As you can see, we have a power button. So you just have to press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Okay, you have to press and hold. Now we have an option. We can go for a reboot here. And most probably after doing the reboot, you have to check with your the Bluetooth and you have to see whether the issue is solved or not. This is what you have to do. And moving on to the next solution is all about this is what you have to do and make sure the problem is not caused by any glitch associated with the Bluetooth antenna. As I said, sometimes the software issue can cause the issue up, and in sometimes the hardware issue can cause the issue up. So you have to make sure there is no issues happening to the Bluetooth antenna, which is very important. So you just have to take care of that part too. So you have to go for it, and this is what you have to do. And sometimes the data format on your Realme Narzo 50A might be causing the trouble. So what you have to do is when you're trying to send some files via Bluetooth, you have to make sure the data format is supported over here as well as the opposite person's phone. If it is not that, then most probably you'll be definitely having the issue. So the file format should be supported for both of them, then only it will be good to go. So this is what you have to do. And also it is not always necessary that the problem is there in your phone, and it can be the problem in other hands too. For example, you have tried all these steps, you have done a reboot, you have done with this one, you have checked your antenna, you have made sure the file is having not virus, but even the issue is happening, then most probably it might not be your fault but the person whom are trying to send. So you have to ask them also to check or to verify or cross check from there, and also then most probably there will not be any kind of issue. Then moving on, in some cases the users need to make sure that the problem is not there just because they have something wrong in their device which is related to the default Bluetooth drivers, which is also in some cases can happen, but I recommend this is very rarely happening. And also you have to check you turned off the device's security or imposed any kind of restrictions on the same which can raise a Bluetooth concern. So as you can see, if you go over here, we have an options like so, right? So sometimes when you go for the advanced settings, you can go for the advanced setting. So if you turn it this off, visible to others, you have turned it this off, then most probably the person whom are trying to connect will not be seeing you up in his device, then that is an issue. As well as you have to go for this. So this is what you have to make sure in some cases, and you have any kind of issues also on the Bluetooth. And moving on to the last solution is, the last solution is which I would like to give you guys is, there are chances that the actual problem is related to the phone OS. Okay, so even you tried all these steps but it's not worth enough, then you have to go over here on the software update, and you have to check for software update or in which version it is available. So most probably some cases, as I said, sometimes software bug can cause the issue up. So you just have to update your software and see whether the issue is solved or not. And also the last one which I would like to make a notice is, if the phone battery might be low and you're running in the device in the power saving mode, and this can affect the issue, which I have already given, I have told to a lot of time to all the people. And this is what you have to do. When in some cases, some people always have a habit of keeping in the battery in the power save mode, so which I suggest you can only use this when it's necessary. You'll not be using this for all the time. So as you can see, the power saving mode is enabled, so you can try this. Even the Wi-Fi, you're having any kind of Wi-Fi issue, you just have to turn this off, and most probably this will be helping you out. So these are the basic steps that you have to try out, so when you're having any kind of issues, and these are the things what you have to try. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.